Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Few More Miles. Today we have come to Solvang, which is a very nice cozy Danish village in California, and we have come today on Saturday, and we will have one night stay in this town, and tomorrow we will go to Santa Barbara. So now the time is around 11:30 and we have reached here in the city, and the first place that we have come to is the visitor center, and the person there was very nice and informative. He gave a lot of information, and there were maps and booklets which can help you to roam around in the town also. So we will start exploring this nice village. Let's go. Walking through the streets of Solvang feels like you are stepping into a little piece of Denmark in California. The streets are lined with storybook-style buildings, cute windmills, and cozy brick sidewalks. Everywhere you look, there are flower boxes, Danish flags, and old-fashioned signs that make the place really magical. You will pass by Danish bakeries with the smell of fresh pastries like Abel's quivers, boutique shops selling handmade gifts, and charming cafes where you can stop for coffee or ice cream. The main streets are Copenhagen Drive, Alisal Road, and Mission Drive. These are perfect for strolling, window shopping, and taking photos. Street performers sometimes play music, and there are many wine tasting rooms which welcome visitors to stop in for samples. Walking in Solvang is not just the sightseeing. It's like being part of fairy tale village with friendly people, happy vibes, and delicious smells everywhere. We visited this mill bakery here, which is also known as the Solvang Bakery, and the freshly baked Danish pastries were just delicious. And look at this model craft, which is showing how the people are making pastries and the process. It's really enticing, and a lot of people are shooting here from outside. This is really great bakery. Now Urvi wants to go in the chocolate factory, so we'll go there. Which one? Taking this one? Rocky Mountain chocolate coins. Okay. So we have got a room in New Haven in Solvang. It's very near to the village square. And let's take a tour of the room. Oh, put a code.
क्या डाला था तुमने?
Okay, so this is the room, guys, just right on the road. You see, it's right on the road, near, right in the center of the village, and it's a kitchen, TV, and this is a queen bed. It's a washroom. Oh, light is not on. Okay, I will check that. And this is the ground floor, or they say first floor. The sofa come bed, and there is a upper section. So here is another bed and chairs, and it also has TV over here. So friends, now it is 5:30 in the evening. I am having coffee in this terrace, small coffee terrace. And the view from here. And you see the cloud over the mountains from here. And if I see this side, the city center is very near the center of village, and this is, you can see the windmill. So we will go over there again walking in the evening. Wow, this is nice. I liked. Here is another washroom. Okay. There is another washroom area. Here is the shower area. So it has 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom on the upper section, 1 bedroom on the lower section, and 2 bathrooms overall. I liked this room, very near to the city center. City center is like, this is a small city, maybe 6 to 7,000 population, but it's a great, nice. Evening vibes in Solvang are really magical, calm, cozy, and full of charm. The streets glow with warm golden lights, especially around Danish-style buildings and windmills. You can hear soft music from local restaurants or live bands on weekends. People stroll through Copenhagen Drive, eating ice cream or pastries after dinner. The cafes and wine bars light candles or turn on fairy lights, giving a very romantic feel. The air smells like freshly baked cookies and coffee, especially near Solvang Bakery. Most shops close by 7 to 8 pm, but the restaurants stay open later for a relaxed dinner. It feels safe, peaceful, and European, perfect for a slow evening walk or photos. Good morning, friends. This is the next day morning, and we are going for the breakfast. The houses you see are typical Danish style architecture, and we are heading towards Solvang restaurant for our breakfast. So we'll go here and check out. So now we have come to Solvang restaurant for breakfast, and I'm trying to search something vegetarian, but one thing is that I will be taking this one, this Danish style able skewer. So that we'll try. What we ordered is a veg sandwich with potato salad, and the other dish was Danish able skewer. This is kind of a pancake balls. We'll try this. How is this able skewer?
It was very tasty.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
Yesterday we liked these bakery items, so we came again today to take the parcel. We'll try this time maybe custard Danish.
Custard.
Now we have come to ostrich land, and we will be able to see ostrich and emu here. So we'll take that small tour and try to feed the birds. So we are now inside this ostrich land, and this is the food that we'll try to feed to the large birds. Urvi, we'll try? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Feeding these large birds was really a nice experience. My daughter enjoyed it. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.